In this video, I'm going to turn this noisy, low quality audio into this clean, professional sounding voice. And yes, I will show you exactly how you can do the same for free. No expensive microphone, no paid plugins, no complicated setup. I'll walk you step by step how to remove background noise, improve voice clarity, and make your audio sound like it was recorded in a studio using just two free tools that anyone can use. So if you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or recording voiceover at home, this video can instantly upgrade your voice quality. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first software that we are going to use is Audacity. It's a software, it's not an AI tool, but this is where we'll increase the quality and will remove the background noise. And if you want to use the second software directly, you can do that, but the best outcome will come if we use both. So first, let's just record our audio and then we'll enhance it. Hello, I am Hossein Mohammad Khan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to show you how we can enhance this audio just after recording it. So now I just recorded the audio, and then the first thing I will need to do is to check it. Hello, I am Hossein Mohammad Khan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to show you how we can enhance this audio just after recording it. Well, so first of all, we'll need to remove the background noise. And for that, you can select a portion of the audio where your voiceover is not included, but the background audio is included. Okay, just after selecting the area, you will need to click over this effect, then noise removal and repair, then noise reduction, and then you will need to click over this get noise profile, and you will get the profile of this background noise. And after that, you will need to click over this effect again and again, same noise reduction, and then you will need to press OK. But before that, you will need to check these things. Here you can see that noise reduction dB is currently set at 10, and setting it 10 is the best I find, because increasing it too much like 30 or 40 will remove the background noise, but this will affect the voiceover as well. So I'll keep this setting and I'll click over OK. But before that, I need to select the full audio. Just double click over it and then go to the effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction, and click over this OK. Okay, so as you can see, the noise has been gone from here, and if I start it again. Hello, I am Hossein Mohammad Khan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to show you how we can enhance this audio just after recording. Okay, this is much more clear, but we'll need to do more things. Again, select the full audio and click over this effect, go to EQ and filters, then find out this filter curve EQ, and then you will need to click over this preset and setting, and from here you can select the bass boost, and then just click over this apply, and then again go to effect and same filter curve EQ, then you will need to go to the preset and travel boost. But before going to travel boost, I want to say one thing, that if your voice is already deep, then you don't need bass boost, and if your voice is not deep, then you can just apply bass boost and you don't need to apply the travel boost. I'm going to show you both in here. So I'm going to apply this travel boost right now, and I'll hit apply. Just after this, I will go to the effect again and same, and this time we'll need to select this low roll off for space and apply. And the last thing we need to do is to go to effect and then legacy compressor, and then you can copy this setting. Make sure you have this attack time to the lowest, it's 0.10 second, and hit the apply. Okay, so we are all done, and let's play the audio. Hello, I am Hossein Mohammad Khan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to show you how we can enhance this audio just after recording it. Well, now we'll go to the next tool, that is our AI tool, and the name of this AI tool is Adobe Podcast Enhance. You can just simply search it like this, Adobe Podcast Enhance, and you'll find it. Okay, I have the account already. You can just click over this sign in and you can sign in with your Google account. I have the account, so I'm not going to show it right now. Well, you can enhance your audio here for free, but not too much. There's a limit in here. As you can see, you can't adjust these settings, and also you can't drag and drop the files as a bulk. But for most of the video, we don't need too much audios. I think most of the video that you can make are under 30 minutes or under 1 hour, and that can be covered in this tool easily. Let's just export the audio from here first. Export audio, export to your computer. Okay, now just drag and drop the audio file in here. And now you will need to wait for a few moments. Well, as you can see, the audio has been enhanced. So let's just play it. Hello, I am Hossein Mohammad Khan. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I'm going to show you how we can enhance this audio just after recording it. Hello, I am Hossein Mohammad Khan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to show you how we can enhance this audio just after recording it. So you can see the difference between how it was before and how it is right now. Even after exporting from Audacity, this Adobe Podcast Enhancer just enhanced the audio really good. And now just you can click over this download button and you can download the audio. So this is how you can enhance your audio even if you don't have a good microphone or if you are in a crowd place or noisy area. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, as I am new at YouTube. So I am requesting you to subscribe the channel to support us. Thank you very much for being with me. Let's see you in the next video.